So what if I can say you that we can control all our audio from a internet source, from a server just. So forget all these boards you have used till now, and here is our new controller, the PT2258. Welcome to Altium. This video is sponsored by Altium. Electronic design today is more than just drawing circuits. It's about building design that actually work right the first time. And for students, Altium Student Lab is completely free, offering certification courses and hands-on learning from schematics to the PCB layout, signal integrity basics and power analysis. So you step into the industry with confidence. So I have designed my schematics of PT2258 DSP in the Altium itself, and you can see all the sections, ESP12E also, and all the headers and the power section. Here is the 6-channel digital volume control PCB. You can see IC in the middle, ESP on the one side and all the headers other side, and 3.3 volt is regulating all these things. We are not using SMD but deep components here. So now coming to the data sheet of this PT2258, it is a 6-channel electronic volume controller IC. It can control the volume digitally through I2C bus, and I2C is just controlled through ESP, and ESP is controlled over a server using internet or Wi-Fi. You can control from anywhere. Here is the list of features, application, and here is the 20-pin IC. You can see it's a DSP, digital signal processor. We can say that ESP, but it is just a volume controller for now. And you can know I2C run over address. Here is the start timing, and here is the control process. So all this listed in the datasheet. One more thing, I have coded it in Arduino using ESP such that you did not need any kind of library. All the electrical characteristics, it can run over 12 volt. Here is the PCBs I have made. So it's a digital volume controller again. Here the input section, the output section, and the middle one is the voltage, which is like the power we are giving. Here is the programming. So we can program this ESP through these headers. Look at these PCBs. If you want, these links are again in the description. Download your Gerber files from there and you're just done. You can use any manufacturer to fabricate all these. Now coming to the code part, here I am using Arduino and using 8266 as an initiator there. You have to fill the SSID and the password, and here are some settings you have to do. Again, you do not need any library, any other code. Just push this code, upload to this 8266, and we are done. Here this is for the I2C transmission, and in the server there are options to set mute also, to set the master volume, and because this IC have 6 channels, you can control all the 6 channels one by one, or you can control the master volume, so it can control all the 6 channels at once. Here is the HTML code for server, and the setup block is here just to like print the connected form of Wi-Fi is connected or not. And here is server checks we have to perform, and finally the loop section control the server, just the server, nothing else in the code. Just upload the code using generic 8266 and select the COM port, hit upload. So before the uploading you have to make the connection to ESP. So from the PCB I made, I have given the headers on the back where you can program all this. All the links are in the description. You can see the video, you can see here the video is also attached. You can perform all this connection and upload this code using another ESP32 or ESP8266. It's very easy. So now the code is now uploading. Now you have to reset the ESP8266 from the reset button itself and go to the serial monitor. It will show you an IP address. Now you have to put this IP address in the same network you are connected to. You have just filled in the code, and you can see here is our interface. You can select the mode from the channels to the master. Here are the 6 channels which can control the volume, and a mute button to like put all the volume to 0, and the master volume control all the 6 channels. So this is all from my side. Thank you. Check the links below.